There's something magical about Ho Chi Minh City at night. As the sun slowly sinks behind the skyline, the streets transform. Lights flicker awake, and suddenly, you feel like you're entering a different world. Tonight, we are seeing it all from the top deck of the hop-on, hop-off sightseeing bus. A moment to admire Saigon from above, and to fall in love with its heartbeat. Our journey starts at District 1, in front of Saigon Opera House, glowing in warm golden light. It is built in 1898 during the French colonial era, and it stands like a grand theater out of Europe, right here in Southeast Asia. We settle in our seats, camera ready. The guide's voice welcomes us, promising a journey through the heart of Saigon's most treasured sights.
Đi về hướng quận 2 qua cầu Thu Thiem và quay trở lại quận Nhất qua cầu Ba Son.
The first highlight on the route is the People's Committee of Ho Chi Minh City, more commonly known as City Hall. Beautifully lit in gold tones, French colonial architecture is elegant and regal. The bus turns toward Nguyen Hu Walking Street. It's one of the most vibrant streets in the city. From above, we see fountains dancing with colorful lights, families laughing, children playing, musicians performing under the open sky. It is the beating heart of the city, modern, energetic, and full of life. We keep moving, watching the city unfold like a living movie. The bus slows down near the Riverside and we see the Tran Hang Dao statue, honoring one of Vietnam's most legendary military leaders. As we cross Thu Thiem Bridge 1, the skyline opens up before us. A spectacular view of the glass towers and neon reflections shimmering over the dark river. From the top deck, the city looks futuristic, modern, almost unreal. This is the moment everyone falls silent, just taking in the view. Phones rise, shutters click, but still, no picture or video can capture what it feels like to be there. A few minutes later, the bus arrives at Thu Thiem Bridge 2. This is one of Saigon's newest icons. The cables stretch upward like illuminated strings in a giant musical instrument, casting white light into the deep night sky. Crossing it is like entering a new chapter of the city's story, a symbol of growth, ambition, and tomorrow. Leaving the river behind, the bus heads inland toward Turtle Lake, a favorite hangout spot, especially among students and young locals. And next, we pass two of the city's most beloved architectural treasures, side by side, glowing gently against the night sky. The Notre Dame Cathedral, built from red bricks imported from Marseille. Even at night, they look timeless. They're definitely living memories of the city's French colonial era. The bus slows down here, allowing everyone to just admire their beauty, their quietness, their history. You realize you just experienced Saigon from a different perspective, not through crowded streets or busy sidewalks, but from above, where the city looks calmer, more magical, yet fully alive. The tour ends, but the feeling stays. A memory of Ho Chi Minh City at night, a city of stories, of light, of history, a place where the past and future dance together in the open